Taking a vacation as a community manager doesn't need to cause chaos in your community. When's the last time you took off for more than a weekend? This video shares my top tips for enjoying your time off while your community manages well without your normal presence. Even if you're a member of a team managing a community, there are things that you can do before and after your leave to avoid issues. I'm Marcia. I help solopreneurs and small businesses build successful online communities, and my go-to platform is Mighty Networks. My number one tip is to pre-schedule posts so that you can keep your regular schedule going while you're gone. And if you do this regularly, even an unexpected absence is much smoother. You'll also want to reschedule any live sessions that you would normally be leading during the time you're away. One thing to consider: do you want to keep an eye out for urgent issues? Is there a need for that? And are you able to do that? Sometimes I'll choose to bring my phone along and use that as kind of a lighter touch, occasionally checking in for things that are urgent that I can do a quick response to and get back to in a more detailed manner when I'm back to the office. Either way, just know what you're going to do so you can help your members understand. It's good to let your members know what's going to happen so that they can adjust their expectations. Here's the post that I shared with my paying members as I was taking time off at the end of the year. Give yourself time to ease back into the flow of things when you come back. I adjust my schedule on the first day I'm back so that I have plenty of time to work through what I've missed while I'm gone. For me, that looks like checking out the notifications list without being sidetracked by thinking about client appointments. You don't need to be tied to your online community 24/7. In fact, it can be better if you're not, both for you personally and for the members of your community. I recently took 2 weeks off from my community. I run it myself. I don't have a team helping me, and the community managed great. In fact, didn't fall apart, and there were conversations that happened that were better because I wasn't in the mix right away. Sometimes as a host, we step in too soon and offer our ideas and thoughts, and then other people stop talking. If you've enjoyed the ideas in this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll see more videos with online community strategy and tips for using the Mighty Networks platform. If you're looking for help in your unique situation building an online community, please reach out. You'll find the link to my website in the video description.